Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I wasn't kidding last time when I said that this is update week because we have yet another update on Johnny Depp's defamation case against Amber Heard. Many of you who are familiar with the facts of this case have already heard of Josh Drew, who was Raquel Pennington's husband, Raquel Pennington being Amber's best friend. They are no longer together, they have since divorced. A video of his deposition has recently surfaced in which he states that Cara Delevingne and Elon Musk were involved in a three-way affair with Amber Heard in 2016.
Did Rocky tell you that Amber Heard was having an affair with Cara Delevingne while she was still married to Johnny Depp?
Yes.
Did she ever tell you that the three of them, Elon Musk, Cara Delevingne, spent the night with Amber in November of 2016?
To the specific date, I can't say.
Did she ever tell you in words or substance, while Amber was still married to Johnny Depp, that the three of them, Amber Heard, Elon Musk, and Cara Delevingne, spent the night together?
Yes.
So they were having a three-way affair, correct?
My understanding, yes.
Okay, so the purpose of this video isn't to report on this update. My purpose is to provide you with legal insight into the implications of this new information and how it can be used by Johnny in his defamation case. With specific regard to Josh's deposition, it's important to state that his allegations are first and foremost hearsay because he is simply repeating what he has been told by Raquel Pennington. He didn't directly witness any of it, and he doesn't have first-hand knowledge of the allegations and their veracity, so whether they're true or not. Now, the thing with hearsay is that it is, in most jurisdictions, inadmissible unless it falls under certain exceptions, which obviously I'm not going to go into in this video because this is not a legal lesson about hearsay. It's sufficient for me to say that this evidence is not strong and has very little weight, if any weight can be attributed to it. Another point I'd like to raise about this evidence is that it's very general in nature. There are no specifics. Even when the lawyer can be heard asking Josh about specific dates, Josh responded by saying that he couldn't specify a date. The CCTV footage that depicts Cara and Elon in the Eastern Columbia building is also undated. However, the staff at the Eastern Columbia have verified that this footage was taken the day before Thanksgiving in November of 2016. So yes, Cara and Elon visited Amber while she was still legally married to Johnny Depp. Amber and Johnny were pretty much separated by May of 2016. And I believe, I'm not 100% sure on this, so correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that their divorce was finalized in January of 2017. So technically, they were still married legally until that point. But because they were separated, one can hardly say that Amber was cheating on Johnny by being involved in a three-way affair with Cara and Elon after she and Johnny were separated. As for the CCTV footage that showed Elon Musk visiting Amber in 2015 while Johnny was away filming, that is the year that Amber and Johnny were married and they were still together. They weren't separated even though they were having issues. So yes, that footage supports cheating. But that is not what the value of this evidence is. There's so much information, so much drama, so many more lies getting uncovered that sometimes it's hard for people to remember that the main issue here, the cause of action here, is defamation. What Johnny and his legal team need to do in order to win this case is to gather any and all evidence that proves that Amber's allegations against Johnny are false, because truth is an absolute defense to defamation. So if you say something about someone that is true, even if it's hurtful and it makes them look bad in the eyes of the public, it's a defense. It's not defamation. Defamation is only applicable to false allegations, false statements that are published. So in terms of Elon Musk, he's already been issued a subpoena last year to provide Johnny's legal team with any communications that took place between Elon and Amber spanning from as far back as March 2013. And the reason why they want this evidence is to ascertain whether Amber said anything to Elon in relation to allegations of domestic violence against Johnny. Because this trial has been put on hold, I think until next year, I haven't been able to find any updates about Elon Musk's response to the subpoena. And I don't know whether any of this evidence has been provided by Elon to Johnny Depp's legal team yet. The reason I'm explaining all of this is because the exact same scenario applies to Cara Delevingne. The fact that she may have been involved with Amber, romantically or otherwise, during this crucial period of 2016 is only relevant because Cara may also have communications, text messages, emails, whatever, between herself and Amber that Johnny Depp's legal team may want to investigate in order to ascertain whether Amber said anything with regards to domestic violence allegations against Johnny Depp. So as of today, as of the day of filming, Cara has not been issued a subpoena and she is not involved in the case in any capacity. And because the three of these people are in a very similar situation, I also want to mention James Franco. Now, James Franco was caught on CCTV footage visiting Amber on the 22nd of May of 2016, which was less than 24 hours after her final fight with Johnny, in which she alleges that he threw a phone at her. Johnny Depp's legal team want to interview James Franco in order to ascertain whether he witnessed any injuries or bruising on her face on that day, and also to obtain records of any conversations that took place between the two around this time, with the sole intent of discovering whether Amber made any allegations of domestic violence against Johnny or not. James Franco has agreed to providing evidence as long as everything is kept under seal, so it's not available to the public. And I don't know whether Johnny Depp's legal team has agreed to that condition and whether they have been able to obtain any evidence from him as of today. Evidence of Amber cheating does not in any way disprove her allegations against Johnny. Forget Amber and Johnny for a second. A victim of domestic violence can still cheat, and that doesn't negate the fact that they're a victim of domestic violence. I do want to quickly point out that I don't know whether Johnny's team are also going to use evidence of Amber cheating with Elon as a way of showing the jury that she is a liar generally, which in my opinion is relevant to a defamation case because it shows that whatever she says isn't necessarily the truth. Cheating isn't exactly a sign of a trustworthy and honest and honorable person. I hope that clears things up for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'm always keen to hear your thoughts. Thank you again for watching. Stay safe, and I will catch you in a future video.